And today we're going to be doing skit with my brother and our sister.
She's over there. She's exploring. And we're going to be doing it about...
Who knew the selfie stick was so long?
The sailor, which, is going to be him. The crazy baby is going to be her. And the mother, which is me, and the daughter, which is her, are going to be one of the passengers.
I'm the donkey.
Okay, let's get on with the video.
Yes.
All right, kids, make yourself on the cruise ship.
Mom, she's trying to hit me. Mommy, she's trying to get me. Mom, get away from me.
Go to your room if you can't get along.
No. She needs to leave.
Whoa! Does this driver even know how to drive?
Mommy!
I'm driving good right now.
What's happening?
You're the worst cruise driver ever. Daughter, I don't think we can grade the driver.
I'm driving
But we
slow
could.
and
I
good.
was getting enough! Mom!
I said shut it!
Mom! That's it, I'm gonna kill her.
You can't. All right, older Molly, go to your room,
Mommy!
which is on the deck.
Mommy!
What?
He's trying to help me.
Go to the slide and stay up there.
Mommy!
Why are we swaying? We're swaying from side to side.
I'm not.
The boat is, so that makes us.
Guys, there's big waves and I can't control them. I'm going back to the shore. Till there's no waves.
He's trying to take me.
You have to go up and down. Cause it's going fast.
What are you doing over there, daughter? It's doing that to me too.
Pilot.
Are we at shore yet?
Be quiet.
Are we at shore yet?
Not yet. So I'm doing autopilot.
Let's go down the slide.
I want to.
Do you want to have another family vacation or not?
I want to die on this slide. Please let me die.
I'm not paying child support, so go right ahead.
You really don't want me to die?
Boat driver, is it safe to go on the slide?
Yes.
I don't want to hurt myself. I don't want to hurt my car.
What?
Get that.
What?
That.
The jet ski.
Big flashlight shoot you.
You
What?
have done.
Taser you.
You
You
have
good
done.
night.
Go down the slide.
I don't wanna.
Damn.
Mom, she's pushing me.
Come on. You're trying to get over your fright.
Yeah, it's tasing her. Hey, do you give me the right to taser her?
No.
Why not?
Because